Welcome, a professional manufacturer of container houses. Our most hot sale product is folding container house. You can easily set up in 4 minutes. 140 feet high queue can load 12 units. Comes with door and windows. Simple electrics installed ready. It can stay up to 2 floors easily. It's against typhoon and earthquake. Expandable container house is another very hot sale product famous in Australia, America, Japan, Germany, Middle East and Latin America. We have empty, 1 bedroom, 2 bedrooms, 3 bedrooms designs. 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom design is most welcomed. It's luxury and portable solution. Detachable container house and frame are widely promoted in Southeast Asia, Africa and China. We have 2 types. Flatbed container house is more high-end product, normally for Middle East, America and Australia. We have our own production line for folding container house, expandable container house, flatbed container house, prefabricated houses, steel structure and sandwich panels. Can control our product quality from manufacturing. We have 4 major production bases and one of the biggest is 20,000 square meters. Our monthly capacity can reach more than 200 units and can expedite. You can see some projects presentations of what container houses can do.